Lost Archives presents the silent scream of a rogue planet. Imagine, if you will, a world untethered. Not orbiting a star, not bathing in its warm, life-giving glow. Instead, a planet adrift, a cosmic castaway, forever wandering the frigid, starless depths of the interstellar void. This is the silent scream of a rogue planet, a chilling concept that whispers of unheard horrors and unimaginable loneliness. These celestial nomads are not mere theoretical curiosities. Astronomers believe they are surprisingly common, perhaps even outnumbering the planets that cling to their stellar homes. Billions, maybe trillions, of these lost worlds are out there, hurtling through the darkness, their existence a testament to the chaotic, violent births and sometimes, equally violent deaths, of planetary systems. How does a planet become rogue? It's a dramatic story. Sometimes, during the tumultuous early days of a solar system's formation, gravitational tumbles and near collisions with other massive bodies can eject a planet from its orbit. Think of a cosmic billiard game, where one errant shot sends a player skidding off the table and into the unknown. Other times, a catastrophic stellar event, like a supernova, can destabilize a system so profoundly that its planets are flung into the void. But what happens to these solitary wanderers? The immediate consequence is a plunge into eternal darkness. Without a star to warm them, their surfaces would freeze, solidifying into landscapes of unimaginable desolation. Oceans would turn to rock-solid ice, vast and impenetrable. Atmospheres, if they managed to retain any, would likely condense into frigid layers of frost and snow, clinging to the frozen ground. The temperatures on a rogue planet could plummet to hundreds of degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, far colder than anything we experience on Earth. Imagine standing on such a world, the ground beneath your feet a solid expanse of ice, the sky above an inky blackness punctuated only by the faint, distant glow of galaxies. There would be no dawn, no dusk, no seasons. Just an unending, profound chill. Yet, the horrors don't end with the cold. These planets are often exposed to the raw, unfiltered radiation of deep space. Without the protective magnetic field of a star or the shielding of a thick atmosphere, cosmic rays and high-energy particles would bombard their surfaces relentlessly. This radiation could be so intense that it would render any exposed surface utterly sterile, an environment hostile to even the hardiest forms of life we can conceive. Could anything survive on such a world? It's a question that sparks the imagination. Some scientists speculate that life might persist in subsurface oceans, warmed by residual geothermal heat from the planet's core. Perhaps simple extremophile organisms, similar to those found in the deepest, darkest trenches of Earth's oceans, could eke out an existence in these frigid, subterranean refuges. However, the challenges would be immense. The constant threat of radiation, the lack of sunlight for photosynthesis, and the sheer isolation. The silent scream of these rogue planets isn't just about the physical conditions. It's also about their cosmic solitude. They are worlds adrift, with no celestial companion to share their journey. They witness no sunrises, feel no starlight. They are utterly alone, a stark reminder of the vastness and sometimes unforgiving nature of the universe. And as they drift, they are invisible to us, their stories untold, their silent screams unheard. These are the lost archives of the cosmos, celestial enigmas waiting to be discovered, or perhaps, forever lost in the silent, unfathomable void.